Install in cold weather with confidence. It's that time of year, and chances are good that you may have to install graphics in temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Lucky for you, there are options. Not only are there options, but there's a manufacturer who has an entire line of media specifically for cold weather applications. More on them later. A quick note before we get into the content. I'm starting a podcast series, and I'm looking for other business owners to join me for 30 to 45 minutes, sharing your story on how you got into business, the type of work you do, the equipment that you use, and the stories that help you get to where you are today. So if you're interested, please reach out via email. The link is in the description below. Now, on to the content. For graphics subjected to extreme weather conditions, the type of media used is vital in determining the durability and performance of the graphic. For flexible vinyl, a polymeric vinyl or cast vinyl is a great choice. The molecular makeup of these products allows extended life and durability in extreme weather, as well as being better suited to handle the expansion and contraction that occurs with major temperature changes. These types of vinyl will outlast a standard monomeric PVC vinyl. Additionally, the type of adhesive used can play a crucial role in the installation, removal, and longevity of the graphic. Typical pressure-sensitive film has a minimum application temperature in the 40 to 50 degree range. This is because of two reasons: flexibility of the vinyl film and the initial tack of the adhesive. As temperatures fall, the flexibility of film decreases as well as the initial tack of the film. These two factors in combination can lead to failure of the adhesive bond when applied at low temperatures. Some print shops opt for the Ultra-Tack medias. Arlon's DPF 8000 and Mactac's Rebel Removable 500, both can which be installed around 32 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the surface. Although high-tack vinyl will stick in most cases, it may be difficult to work with because of the aggressive adhesive, and depending on the length of time they are applied, may not remove cleanly. Fellers just released a cold weather film from their Black Label line that installs in temps as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This proprietary film has an adhesive that is formulated to adhere to surface energies that fluctuate in low temperature situations. There are some application techniques that can be used for exterior installations when the ambient conditions are as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit. A wetting solution like Rapid Tack 2 from your local graphic supply distributor, or anhydrous isopropyl alcohol, which is 99% alcohol and contains no water. This can typically be found in a big box store in the paint department and can be used to apply point-of-purchase graphics to glass surfaces. Avoid the use of any application fluids that are water-based. Standard window or glass cleaners should not be used. Now more about that manufacturer I mentioned in the beginning of this video. DryTac, a manufacturer of adhesive products with locations in the United States, Canada, and Europe, offers their polar portfolio of medias for specific applications in colder climates. DryTac has a number of high-quality solutions in clear, white, and Aerograss films. The Polar line features medias for floor, windows, walls, and sign applications that are cold weather installation rated, some as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. All products are designed with low temperatures in mind, covering installation, the life of the graphic, and its removal. Ultimately, the success of your graphics will come down to these two things: the type of media you're using, and the ability to keep the graphic and supplies as close to room temperature as possible before use. If the location for application is closed, try keeping the graphics and supplies in a heated, warm vehicle just before use. The closer the graphic is to room temperature, the easier it will apply, and the quicker the pressure-sensitive adhesive will bond to the surface. If you don't know the difference between polymeric and monomeric vinyl, then you should check out this short video. I hope you found this helpful for your next cold weather install. Thanks for watching.